As the first chilly winds of autumn begin to blow, I find myself craving a dessert that captures the essence of the season. Raspberry Pavlova, with its light and airy texture, seems to be the perfect choice for a crisp afternoon and an ideal treat for the upcoming holiday gatherings. Ingredients. The ingredients for this wonderful dessert are simple yet promise to deliver fresh and complex flavors. I prepare 4 room temperature egg whites, 180 grams of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. For the refreshing cream topping, I use 100 grams of Muller sour cream, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of raspberry powder. Fresh raspberries and strawberries will be the final touch of color and flavor. Once the pavlova is cool, I turn my attention to the cream topping. In a bowl, one gently mix together the sour cream, mascarpone, powdered sugar, and raspberry powder. The result is a beautifully pink cream, as fresh as the autumn breeze. When the pavlova is cool and crisp, I carefully spread the raspberry cream on top. Fresh raspberries and strawberries are sprinkled over the cream, their vibrant colors adding beauty to the dessert. A light dusting of powdered sugar completes the masterpiece. Enjoying this raspberry pavlova with friends and family, I can't help but feel that this dessert truly captures the spirit of fall and winter. It's light, refreshing, and incredibly delicious, making it the perfect addition to any autumn gathering or holiday celebration.
Trên vai em gầy, đường xa áo bay, nắng qua mặt buồn, lòng hoa bướm say.